Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today I'm going to share with you my hydrangeas in pots and how do I care for them. This plant is a beautiful addition to your collection, and growing them in pots is a great option if you have limited space. You can place it almost anywhere in your house that gets enough sunlight, like patios, balconies, and porches. Hydrangeas are easy to grow in cuttings. Just take cuttings from a branch about 5 to 6 inches long and stick it in a moist potting soil, and after a few months you would see them sprouting. Just like these cuttings that have been growing, these are both over a year already, and this small one is around 9 months, and they're all ready to be repotted. When repotting, use medium to large pot with at least 2 feet wide. Make sure there's a hole for good drainage, sunlight, and lots of moisture. If the leaves are droopy, then it's a signal that your plant needs more water. The best time to fertilize is around spring when the weather is warmer. And I use this kind of fertilizer. Blooming season is around this time, spring and summer. And after blooming, the plant gets dormant, and that's the time I would trim dead blooms and remove dead branches as well. This process will prepare my hydrangea for more sprouts during blooming season. After cold season, hydrangeas would start growing more leaves, and around this time, I'll be on the watch for any signs of pest, like what I'm showing in this video. And if I notice one, I'd take out the affected leaves right away, making sure it won't spread in my plants. At some point, I had to use homemade pesticide, which I'll be sharing with you in my next video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions or if you want to share about your gardening experience, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye. Keep safe, everyone.